Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart HONOR X70i. Okay, so there are two methods how you can restart this phone, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first and recommended method when we have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive, as you can see, is simply by the power menu. To do it we need to hold the power button for around, I don't know, 3 seconds, 4, something like that. And here's the power menu. Now all you need to do is to simply tap on restart, then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready for use. But there's also the second method, when the phone is unresponsive and, for example, when it's lagged or frozen and we can't perform any action. And then we should use the force restart. To do it we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the screen goes black. So let's keep on holding until the screen goes black. It's gonna take a little bit. Okay, when you feel a little vibration under your fingers, you can release the buttons. And just like in the previous case, within a few seconds the phone will be ready to use. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.